In this activity, you will learn to make the crystals of copper sulfate. For this, we need some water, some dilute sulfuric acid, copper sulfate powder, china dish, and a lamp. For this, we will put some water in china dish and heat it. Now we will put some copper sulfate powder in the water and try to mix it with a stirrer. We will mix it by stirring continuously and heating it. Now we put some drops of dilute sulfuric acid in it and mix it. It get mixed very well. Now we put some more copper sulfate powder in it so that we can get good crystals of copper sulfate. Now we mix it by continuously stirring it. Now we get a clear solution, blue in color, of copper sulfate and water. Now we will take off it from the heat and try to cool it for 1 to 2 hours by placing it undisturbed. After 1 to 2 hours, we will filter it with the help of a beaker, a tripod, a keep, and a filter paper. We put keep in the tripod and filter paper in the keep. Now we filter the solution of copper sulfate and water with the help of filter paper. When after 1 to 2 hours we see the solution of copper sulfate, we can see crystals of copper sulfate in it. Now we filter it with the help of filter paper. All the solution with water filtered in the beaker with the help of filter paper, and crystals of copper sulfate remained on the filter paper. You can see the crystals of copper sulfate, bluish, shiny, bluish in color, looks very beautiful, and all the solution get filtered in the beaker. So these are the crystals of copper sulfate. This looks very beautiful. We can take these crystals on another filter paper. These are shiny and bluish in color. This is the purest form of copper sulfate. How beautiful these are. So this is the process of crystallization of copper sulfate, and it is an example of physical change also. Thanks.